What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? So I'm gonna say this right here. Comment down below. Do you like or do you watch, either way, World Superbike, or are you a fan of Johnson Ray or Kawasaki, any of that kind of thing, or Yamaha, because this involves all of that. As I'm recording this today, the news has broke. Ooh, look at that gravel. Ooh, super wide, because that would have been bad to turn in on. Don't mind me. As I'm recording this today, so whenever you see this in the future, obviously it is not new news then, but it will be new news as I'm recording it right now. So deal with it. Jonathan Ray supposedly had a contract with Kawasaki to race this year and next year, so 2023 and 2024, and by apparent mutual consent, or your mutual agreement, whatever you want to call it, he has puppy dog, let him run. Him and the Kawasaki KRT Kawasaki team have parted ways, and he will be joining the Pada Yamaha World Superbike factory team, which is big news. I mean, this is one of the most talented, most accomplished, fastest riders in World Superbike joining Yamaha when they just lost their lead rider to I want to say BMW. I'm pretty sure that Top Rack went to BMW, so they didn't waste any time finding another replacement for him, another top rider. You stare at me like that, you lady. I'm like, whatever, fuck it. And it's big because, well, yes, Yamaha has not been, I mean, like, between Kawasaki, Ducati, and Yamaha, they are the top three bikes at the moment. And the top three riders of those three bikes are Ray, Toprak, and Bautista. I'm pretty sure Bautista is staying with Ducati. And Toprak now moves to BMW, so that could change the dynamic a little bit, because who knows? I mean, BMWs are an absolute rocket ship. They build a super fast bike, but you put somebody on it that can control the brakes and everything, and it's going to be a pretty good combo. And then you have Ray, who is just consistently fast and a very good competitor, and now on, you know, on Yamaha. I hope he does well. I hope next year it's a little less Ducati dominated. Let's put it that way. You know, a little more win here or there for, I mean, even like for a BMW or a Kawasaki, Honda, something like another team to come up. But I hope he does well. Not my fault you're going 32. But I hope he does well. I hope he is competitive, and I hope Yamaha gives him a nice, like, a good package. Obviously, it's going to like carry good corner speed and brake well and turn well, but you just need to get the power out of that inline four now to keep up with the Ducatis. It's just, they are rocket ships. But like I said in the beginning, comment down below. Are you a fan of Jonathan Ray, Kawasaki, Yamaha, World Superbike, whatever it is, or are you watching a different series? And I mean, whatever. Comment down below what your favorite kind of tree is. I don't care. We can have a conversation about that. I personally like white birches. I think they're cool. And we're getting into the season where all my trees turn color, and I get ready to put this baby away. But that's not here nor there. Ooh, look at that. It's going up nicely. Whatever it is, comment down below. As you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.